हमारे ग्रेट लीडर महापुरुष सुभाष चंद्र बोस और विवेकानंद, इन दोनों को मैडम ने फूल अभी माला चढ़ाई है और लाइट कैंडल लाइट जलाई है। अब आप सभी जानते हैं कि हमारे चीफ गेस्ट डॉक्टर उमा सरेन एक्स मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट रही हैं और हमारे फेडरेशन की एक्टिविटी में भी समय समय पर भाग लेती रही है और अपना मॉरल सपोर्ट भी किया हुआ है। और जब कभी जरूरत अनेक तरह से हम और कैडर रीअसेसिंग वाले इशू को भी लेकर के उन्होंने डॉक्टर शिव प्रसाद से रिक्वेस्ट की हुई थी। तो मैडम का जो हमारा फेडरेशन से एक हमेशा से लगाव रहा है और हम लोग मैडम के प्रति थैंकफुल भी है। अब मैं मैडम से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि हमारे वर्किंग कमेटी मीटिंग के शुरू होने से पहले अपने जस्ट कुछ वचन रखें, दो शब्द प्रकट करें। डॉक्टर उमा सरेन।
नमस्कार, गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। रेस्पेक्टेड National President Shri A.K. Dash, Vice President Ravi Shankar, Secretary General Jai Shankar, Additional Secretary General L.S. Sujit Kumar, Assistant Secretary General K.V.S. Rao, Honorable Chief Patron Vidwans ji, respected patrons Ingle ji, Parida ji, President, Secretary and other delegates from Principal AG Office, Jammu and Kashmir, from Principal AG Office, Dehradun, Uttarakhand, from Principal AG Office, Chandigarh, Punjab, from Principal Director Railway Audit Office, Kapurthala, Punjab, Principal AG Office, Chandigarh, Haryana, Principal AG Office, Jaipur, Rajasthan, from ESM Audit Office, Delhi, from Director General Audit Office, Delhi, from Principal AG Office, Allahabad, UP, from Principal AG Office, Mumbai, from Principal Director Scientific Audit Office, Mumbai, from Principal Director Central Railway Audit Office, Mumbai, from Principal Director Western Railway Audit Office, Mumbai, from Director General Audit Office, Mumbai, Maharashtra, President, Secretary and other delegates from Principal AG Office, Nagpur, Maharashtra, from Principal AG Office, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, from Principal Director Railway Audit Office, Madhya Pradesh, from Principal AG Office, Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh, from Principal AG Office, Hyderabad, Telangana, President, Secretary and other delegates from Principal AG Office, Bangalore, Karnataka, from Principal AG Office, Trivandrum, Kerala, from Principal AG Office, Raipur, Chhattisgarh, from Principal AG Office, Bhubaneswar, Odisha, from PNT Audit Office, Bhubaneswar, Odisha, from Principal Director Railway Office, Bhubaneswar, Odisha, President, Secretary and other delegates from Principal AG Office, Ranchi, Jharkhand, from Principal AG Office, Patna, Bihar, from Principal AG Office, Guwahati, Assam, from Principal AG Office, Agartala, Tripura, from Principal AG Office, Kolkata, West Bengal. You don't have any delegations from Gujarat, na? We all are missing delegates from Gujarat. It's okay. Thank you all. I'm honored that I have been asked to address the working committee meeting of your organization. a pan-Indian conference of an apex audit federation of the CAG of India. I have been associated with this great organization directly and indirectly since very long. You all represent CAG, the Supreme Audit Institution of India. In fact, you are the part of one of the most important pillars of world's largest democracy. Your responsibilities are paramount because you all are the part of constitutional independent institution. CAG is only answerable to legislature. The central accounts is to place before Parliament and the state accounts is to place before Vidhan Sabha. CAG has its total authority to consider the subject and timeline of the audit report. No other authority could order or instruct CAG for audit or could fix the timeline but to request. This should keep in mind that the functions of CAG are also semi-judiciary, functions independent, impartial, transparent, and unbiased. I'm proud of you that all of you shared these great activities of CAG. CAG has given some memorable audit reports in the recent past, like 2G spectrum allotment, coal block allocation, report on Commonwealth Games Village. There is no external pressure for it from any source otherwise. And CAG has lived up to the expectations of maintaining transparency in audits so far. And country believe CAG and you all as member of this great institution will not act under any external pressure. I'm aware of some of your problems also. There are many issues you are fighting for several years. I personally, along with your president, your chief patrons, met with DOPD Minister Jitendra Singh Ji at his house regarding the cadre restructuring problems. It's my great concern to some of your partially unsolved problems. And I will always take up your issues to the government. And you all know that I am emotionally connected with this National Audit Federation. You know the reason why. I have much respect for Vidwan Ji, Farida Ji, Sujit Kumar Ji, M.K. Bhattacharya Ji, A.S. Ingle Ji, Jaisankar Ji, and all of you. My party chief, Mamata Banerjee, also has good respect for your organization and concerns for your problems. Before I conclude, I wish your working committee meeting a success. Wishing you a happy new year. As a doctor, I'll say stay safe in this COVID-19 pandemic. Best wishes to all of you once again. Thank you very much. Namaskar.
Madam, thanks to you for your blessings for successful conduct of our working committee meeting.